In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this and video. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. So, let's get started. And the first off, open up WhatsApp application. And then let me show you how we can easily block and unblock someone from their contacts page. To do that, open up a conversation. Then at the very top, at someone's phone number or at someone's name. If that user is in your contacts, just like top that, right here at the very scroll top, down and then top at block to block that user. Then block again, and after a couple of seconds, the user has been blocked. We can unblock a user by tapping at Unblock right from here. So, from the chat conversation, we can go to Contacts page, and then we can easily unblock that user from here. However, there is another way how we can unblock a user. Let's say you forgot whom exactly you have blocked. So, we have an option to find all the blocked on users WhatsApp in one place. To do that, go to Settings, then Privacy. Scroll down a bit, and that's where we can easily find the which option is called Blocked. If we get into it, it will show all the users we have blocked on WhatsApp. And from here, in order to unblock someone, we can just drag it to the left. Just swipe to the left and then tap Add on the block. Also, we can tap Add Edit, and then we can unblock someone by hitting Add. That minus signs just like that. Once you are done, tap Add Done, and that's it.